How to fix the Roblox issue? This experience is not accessible because it is unrated. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried to join a Roblox game only to be hit with a message, this experience is not available because it's unrated? Yeah, super frustrating, right? But don't worry, I'm going to break down what this actually means and show you how to fix it. So, this message appears when you try to access a Roblox experience that hasn't been given an official age rating by the game's creator. Roblox recently added a system that assigns content ratings to all experiences like all ages, 9 plus or 13 plus. If the game hasn't been rated yet, Roblox automatically blocks it for users with accounts marked as under 13 years old. So, why does this actually even happen? It's part of Roblox's push to keep the platform safe and age appropriate for younger users. Now, how do you fix this? The simplest way is make sure your account has the correct age setting. Click on the gear icon at the top right of the page. Then select settings. If your account is listed as being under 13, Roblox will limit what games you can access, including any that don't have a rating. If you accidentally put in the wrong birth date when setting up your profile, here's the catch: Roblox doesn't let you update your age after the account is made. In that case, the only workaround is to create a brand new account using your actual date of birth. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.